I tried Martian Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the Martian Wallet app, I didn't expect much. It's one of the newer players in the crypto wallet scene, built for the Aptos and Sui blockchains. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Martian is redefining what next generation crypto wallets can do. On day 1, set up as lightning fast, create a wallet, save the recovery phrase, and I was ready to go in under 30 seconds. The interface was clean, futuristic, and felt built from the ground up. By day 2, I started exploring its key feature: direct integration with the Aptos and Sui ecosystems. Sending tokens, minting NEFs, and connecting to dApps all happened in seconds. Most people get this wrong. They think new blockchains are slow or complicated, but Martian made them feel smoother than Ethereum. Midweek, I tested the browser extension. Connecting to decentralized apps felt effortless. Just one click, and I could stake tokens, INEFs, or join a liquidity pool. No confusing wallet signatures or pop-ups. By day 5, I was using Martian on mobile and desktop interchangeably, and it synced perfectly. The wallet even supported testnets for developers, making it ideal for both users and builders exploring the Aptos network. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Martian Wallet isn't just another crypto wallet, it's a glimpse into the future of blockchain usability. Fast, secure, and focused on user experience, it shows how it can feel as simple as whoop. If you're curious about the next evolution of crypto wallets, Martian is one you need to try. It's not just from another planet, it's built for the future.